Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to install curl on your system, then watch this video. Now the first thing we need to know is whether curl is already installed on the system or not. For that we need to go to command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator, and then I will click on curl space slash hyphen help and click on enter. If I get that this is the full help, this menu is stripped into categories and no error message, it shows that curl is already installed in my system. But if it's not, then what can I do? So I will go to this website curl.se slash windows, press enter, and then I will download curl for the Windows system that I operate. Now, how do I know which Windows system do I operate? I will look for system information in the search bar and I will look for the system type. Mine is an x64 based PC. If yours is an x86 based PC, then you need to download curl for 32-bit. So since mine is curl for 64-bit, I will click on this and wait for it to install. Now once it installs, then I will open the file, open this, and then I will click on the installation file which will be inside this, and I will install it, and then I will again open command prompt and type in curl hyphen help, and curl should be installed in my computer. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.